Hello guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. Today we are going to talk about a proven winner's plant called Fun and Games I Spy. Hello, my name is I Spy. I guess I am full of fun and game, which is part of my name. I am a perennial that likes part shade. However, I will grow in shade or sun. I am a Heucherella. If you choose to grow me, I am very easy to grow. I am known for my very attractive foliage and my bubblegum pink flowers. My pink flowers last for many weeks. I have many colors on just one plant. I have amber, yellow, spring foliage with a deep rose center and a mellow to chartreuse green with silver overlay. I like well-drained soil, and I will benefit and be very happy in a humus-rich soil. Well, you might wonder what humus-rich soil means. Well, humus is just Latin for soil that is rich in organic matter. You can add a natural compost to me. FYI, the top layers of forest soil is rich in humus. Humus is a dark organic material that forms in soil when plant and animal matter decays. I am very short, 8 to 10 inches, so put me in the front of the garden. I am hardy in zones 4 to 9. I bloom in late spring to early summer. I pair well with daylilies, hostas, bee balm, veronica, and ferns, all part shade to sun loving plants. Find me in your nursery. Exactly what is a Heucherella? It is a coral bells. I am an evergreen perennial, which means I stay green all year around. I also flower. I am a cross between a Heuchera and a Tiarella, which are two closely related plants, known for the foliage more so than the bloom. I am deer resistant. I am low growing with a compact habit. Morning sun and evening shade will be great. A Heuchera, common name coral bells, has lots of colors and maple-shaped leaf. Flowers has many bell-shaped flowers. Tiarella, common name is foam flower, is a lobed or heart-shaped foliage, mainly green with a maroon in the center. They have star-shaped flowers on top of the stem. I have planted 3 of the Fun and Games I Spy Heucherella here in the skinny side garden next to all shade-loving plants. This area gets morning sun only and shade in the afternoon from about 12 or 1 o'clock on. So this Heucherella I Spy Fun and Games should be very happy here. You can see me top dressing this plant with compost, and I also add a handful of compost into the hole with my biotone. Biotone will help the plant to develop root development and is very good for the plant, which I put biotone in every single hole that you see me plant. And then I bring the mulch back up around the plant here. So welcome, Fun and Games I Spy, to my garden. This is a Heuchera, which is a cross plant between the Heucherella. This is Dulce Silver Gumdrop. Again, it takes part shade. This plant will get 6 to 8 inches tall. It is a perennial and it is called a Heuchera. Dulce Silver Gumdrop. Use this silver beauty to brighten up your shade garden. Semi-glossy, iridescent, silver leaves are topped with vibrant pink flowers. Leaves take on a rosy blush overtone later in the season. It thrives in part shade, but will grow in full shade. Plant in humus-rich, again, which I've already talked about the humus-rich, well-drained soil. Trim back tattered foliage in early spring. It is salt-tolerant, and it pairs well with speedwell, veronica, hostas, ferns, hardy geranium, violets, and foam flower, which is the Tiarella. This is another type of coral bells, which is a Heuchera, and its name is just caramel. It is deer resistant, and it is known for its colorful foliage. It has outstanding features. Fuzzy foliage emerges in shades of apricot, maturing to amber in summer with salmon red fall color. Very hardy with white-pink flowers on a 15-inch tall stem in late summer. It tolerates heat and humidity. Its hardiness zone is 4 through 9, and actually its heat zone is a 8 through 1. It grows 12 to 18 inches tall, and you want to space it about 10 inches apart. It adapts to a wide range of conditions, removes stems of the spent flowers when they're done blooming. I want to welcome into my garden Fun and Games I Spy, which is the Heucherella, Dose Silver Gumdrop, and Caramel, which is a Heuchera.